Okay, the dust storm is now moving over the top of us. Oh, look at that. Val, across the street, I can't see it anymore.
Hey.
You might want to get in with your expensive camera.
There it is.
Oh, I'm glad this didn't come over playing golf.
There it is.
Hello.
Yeah, my son's
Oh. Wow,
here it is. It's here, and it doesn't take long.
No, it doesn't.
I'll send you stuff because you're going to be here a while. Watch how black it gets. Videotape it when it hits here. Holy!
Whoa, we got debris.
We got debris. Oh, it doesn't get tired.
You okay?
Yeah, some siding just came flying down the street. Right in my eyes. Wow. There goes the sun. Those trees across the street, you can barely even see them anymore. You know what this reminds me of? Did you ever see The Wizard of Oz? Remember how like dark and gray it was in that movie? It's like the same exact shade. That's what it makes me think of.
For everything, there you go.
It's wild. I was really hoping to see one of these things. I love big weather events.
Oh, Arizona. Amazing. Lightning.